Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to give access on Google Drive. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version, and make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Let's get started. Here you can see I have opened up my Google Drive. Now, find the file or the folder you want to share. Just tap right here. Here you can see I have opened up my Google Drive folder. To share that folder, all I have to do is just tap right here on three dots, and here you can see the share option. Now here you can see you can add email address or the Google group you want to share with, and then here you can choose access level for the person you are sharing with, viewer, committer, or the editors. Here you can see you can change to viewer, committer, editor, wherever you want to. For example, here I can tap one of my email account or any others, and then tap on that share icon, and then you will be able to share that file. So this is how you can easily make your Google Drive account accessible. Hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.